So I was rooting around on the old YouTubes the other day and came across Adam Savage doing some builds. And I found this little contraption that he had used. It's called the Mix Quick. So the thing is, even though I'm real good at that, my arm gets a little tired. And there's
not about your size can too, isn't it?
Might be a little small, but either way, there's no, I get nothing out of this for like 5 minutes just shaking it, especially this real thick rubberized undercoating.
Takes forever to get that ball rattling in there.
I can just barely get it rattling now. So right now, it's cold as hell here in Texas. We're not used to it. Our shops are not set up like you Yankee dudes up north, where you got the heaters going all the time. So this little guy comes with instructions.
Who needs those?
This is designed for a reciprocating saw. Put that in there with help from my trusty assistant. We get that in there.
Ooh.
We put the big old fat can in there, which we could actually go with a lot bigger can.
It's got the lock on it like rollerblades. You remember rollerblades?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nope. Yep, there we go. So I put that in there. Does it ratchet?
Should fold over and lock it in. Yep. Perfect.
Ratchet's in there.
Dang.
So then we step to the side here. Follow me here, Jim. Slow speed. I do get a little bit of enjoyment out of that. So the trick is a slow speed, because if you go fast, I bet you this son of a gun will shoot across the room and probably destroy Teddy's expensive snap-on machinery here.
Send it.
I can hear the ball. I don't know if you can hear that. I guess we'll find out in editing. You can hear that ball rattling around in there.
Can you turn it upside down? Will it hold on? Do like the Dairy Queen drop. Yeah. Now you got the big can. Do you think it'll hold the smaller can just as well?
Before we do that, let's see how well. Dude,
It's rattling pretty easy now, isn't it?
Yeah, so let's see. It's probably, what, even though I'm in short sleeves, y'all won't believe it, but I bet you it's like 40 degrees here in the shop. I think it's about 30 outside. So let's see. This is some pretty thick stuff. Dude, I'd say that's mixed up pretty well.
Smells like it is anyway.
Little solvent. All right. Put your little can in the machine.
I don't hear that very often.
I shook my big can up.
So we'll just layer in there and lace up this.
So what we have is some Duplicolor.
It's like Plasti Dip.
Yeah, it's basically their brand of Plasti Dip. So it is a little bit thicker than normal paint. It is cold as crap in here.
I'm having some technical difficulties.
So
there we go.
There we go.
So we get her started, and then she just ratchets right over there.
And it's got like a nice little neoprene pad too.
Yeah.
Which is cool, I guess, so you don't mar up your.
Holds it in there pretty good. So we just take her to town and gotta hit the back. Ooh.
Yeah. Now you see what I'm talking about with the high speed, low speed thing? I can hear that.
You hear it? Can you hear it? It'll get a little wild on you.
I think the high speed will probably just end up wrecking your tool.
Yeah.
But the low speed seems to work just fine.
Yeah, it's shaking it good. It's got to be equivalent to those paint mixers you see at like the Home Depots and the Lowe's and stuff. You know what I mean? It's got a pretty good vibration to it, you know? No, it's really not that bad.
So we got this on Amazon for like $30. We're gonna put the link right here.
Right here.
to actually click on it, since this is a video, you're gonna have to go ahead and go to the description. If you're finding us on Facebook, which of course we have Truck 180 Facebook, the link will be in the comments. So mosey your butt back over there to Facebook and click on that link, or just go to the stupid comments below. Also, let us know if you've ever seen something like this. Tell us how it works.
If you ever used one, or if you're gonna use one.
Or if we're just idiots. Comment something, anything. Send it. All right, let's do it. Mondolo. Spraying on pretty well. So, I don't know if it's going to come across, but old Teddy here got on the bead roller and he hooked up a little. Did you prep this? Oh, you prepped the crap out of it. Anyways, Evil 2J. Back here, we've got the Evil 2J. You're going to be seeing more of that in the weeks and months to come. She's kind of quick.
Yeah, we were doing a little filming with another crew, and we were all just horsing around. Some of the guys wanted to see what the bead roller can do, so I whipped up this little sign real quick, and we just been waiting to paint it, and now's the perfect opportunity.
All right, so
we got to let that sit for like 10, 15 minutes and throw another coat on it. But
yeah, but we're not worried about that. So let's go ahead. I think we've talked enough about this thing.
I think it works pretty well from sitting over here.
Yeah.
Jeez, your arm wears out, you put it in there a couple seconds, send
Dude,
it. And
for like 30 bucks, this thing is legit. I mean, it's got some strong, probably like ABS plastic.
It's durable, that's for sure.
Yeah, I mean, it's legit.
It's not like an El Cheapo product you would think. You know, just some gimmick that somebody's trying to make $1 million off of. It's a solid, legitimate tool.
I like that. So I have seen people before, they will take in like a hose clamp and put it on a blade. Seems like a cheap idea. And
seems like this is a whole lot easier than having to fiddle with a hose clamp.
Well, probably a little safer too.
Yeah.
Because if you're idiots like we are, at some point, you're gonna end up. And then old Teddy gave up the ghost now because he got a freaking blade in his chest. Anyways, if you want it, follow the link below. It's Mix Quick. Mr. and or Mrs. Mix Quick. If you feel like, out of the kindness of your heart, sending us some more of these, we're going to be using these exclusively. No more arm workouts for us in the shop, at least.
It's definitely a win.
I'll give it 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, absolutely. Going on the paint shelf for sure.
All right, till next time.